So although that is a big step up in the speed with which you can put together the prices for a particular product, there's an even quicker way. So what I'm going to do is delete all of those components, because if you think about a carpet, quite often you've got to install it, put down some underlay or pad, put some gripper and tack around it. So these four products you are likely to have to put in quite regularly. So what you can do now is, if we go to, clear all of those, bring up the product and template database and go to this tab, which is templates. And templates are simply a way of defining a list of components to put in. So if we look at this second one here, we can see that it's called role. Each template has to have a name, and it's given a type. So the types are the same types that are used in Calidus. So we've got tile, roll, net floor, net areas, base skirting, stairs, item counter, pedestal, and so on. So this is a role template, and you'll see that when you want to use one of these, if you're in a role product, only the ones defined for role will come up. You've got a description here, and this is the important thing. So you've got top, comma, lab, comma, pad, comma, tack. So what that means is add that, and that as components for this item. So I'll show you how that works. Okay, so we've got the template called role. If I pull out or click on the carpet tile, carpet 1, you can see down here we've got available templates, roll and broadloom. Let's just go back over here. And again, these are ones that we've just put together. You're free to change all of these. There are in fact two templates for roll. One is called roll and one is called broadloom. And rightly, when we look over here, those two are displayed for us down here. So if I want to price up carpet 1, all I do is double click on roll, and those four come through here. I set the prices, and that's it done. And you can do the same for carpet tile 1. And as I click on tile, you can see that it pulls up a different template, which, if we look over into the template list here, tile is top, labor, and adhesive. So it's top, comma, lab, comma, ADH for adhesive. So these are the product codes from this database. So that's one thing to be clear about, is if you want to use something in a template, it has to exist in the product list. So this template is just a way of grouping pre-existing products together. But the tile, is top, comma, lab, comma, adhesive. So let's do that one. Standard tile, double click, and put in. And there we are. So those two are done. Now, is there an even quicker way? Well, yes. Let's clear all of those and clear all of those. I'll just go back to the product and template database. What we can do is to select one as primary. And that means that whenever we want to just use a default material or a default for a product tile, that's the one that will be picked up. So we can set that over here. And if I now go, if you notice, everything is 0. Apply templates to all items. And now what's happened is we just go in here. So from scratch, you've got a fully priced up system. Now you can go in here and you can add more components if you want to. But the idea is that the product database allows you to put together things that you use every day, and the templates allow you to group those together into common, if you like, packages that go for installation. And with those two, once you get familiar and you find the way that you work with the program and you create the products that you use all the time, and then you group them together in the templates that you want to work with, you'll find that you're really, if you think of them as like macros in Excel or something like that, you're able to get the machine to do most of the work for you. And then you just come in and put the prices that you want to, and then make adjustments as you see fit. So that's a quick run through of products and templates. They're not complex. All they are is a list of products, and then a template has a group of products on there. So that's products and templates.